Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the watch and app ready. Wear the watch snugly so the back sensor touches skin and update both devices. Once done, grant health and ECG permissions on your iPhone and watch. Make sure you're seated with your arm resting on a table to reduce motion. Now open the ECG app on the watch screen and get into position. This first action minimizes noise and prepares the sensors to capture a clear signal for the recording. You tap the ECG app and touch the digital crown with the opposite finger to close the circuit. Hold it there for the full 30-second recording. While the trace runs, stay very still and breathe normally so muscle and motion artifacts are minimized. If you feel tremors or loose contact, reposition the watch and restart. The watch displays a progress timer and then shows results like heart rate and rhythm classification. This explains why a steady posture yields a reliable reading. You review the recording in the Health app and save or export a PDF to share with your clinician if needed. If the reading is inconclusive or shows low signal, retry after tightening the band, cleaning the back sensor, or switching wrists. Small contact changes often fix it. If problems persist, restart both devices and retry. If sensor errors continue, contact Apple support or your clinic. Remember, this final step ensures data is useful and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.